Hi, my name's Roger Wheeler, Century 21 Signature Real Estate. I am at 1820 East 1st Street in Huxley. This is a pretty well-known property around the area. People know it as kind of the executive mansion with a turret on it. It's been a bit of a mystery to everybody, but now it's available. Really nice custom home that's come on the market, and man, a lot of features that you're really gonna love. So looking forward to you guys seeing this.
Thanks for checking out 1820 East 1st Street, just outside of Huxley here in this gorgeous home. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to Roger Wheeler or myself, and we'd love to set up a private tour for you today.